Hello students, I am Mrs. Sanju Desai going to teach you moral science, the first chapter, trust in God. Students, you know what is trust? A firm belief in truth or ability of someone or something. God is almighty. He is the mightiest in the world. As the topic is trust in God, so I shall tell you a famous epic of Mahabharata, and it goes like this. Once Pandava and Kauravas were preparing for war. Both sides they wanted Lord Krishna to be on their side. Both Duryodhana and Arjuna went to Lord Krishna to request. But Lord Krishna was asleep. Both waited patiently for Lord Krishna to wake up. When Lord Krishna opened his eyes, the first person he saw was Arjuna sitting at his feet, and Duryodhana was sitting near his head. Krishna asked Arjuna, "What brings you here, dear?" Duryodhana quickly interrupted, "But Lord, I came first here, and you should attend my request first." He heard their request. He then made a suggestion. He said he would give his entire powerful army to one side and he alone would join the other side, although he himself would not take any arms. He told them to make their choice. Duryodhana thought for a while and said, "I will have your army." And so Lord Krishna joined the side of Pandavas. Both sides were very happy. Now it goes like this. Lord Krishna served as Arjun's charioteer, and it was his advice that the Pandavas managed to win the war. Today we know what a terrible mistake Duryodhana had made. Children, you know, we are always making the wrong choices. Instead of trusting in God, we prefer to place our trust in material things and it get destroyed. The victory was in favor of Arjuna because he surrendered himself totally to Lord Krishna. He went on fighting according to Lord Krishna's direction. Arjuna is a very good example of putting a trust in God. The truth is that God is all powerful. His might is endless. He made the universe, gave life, gave strength, and also gave us light. The sun, the moon, and stars shines through his glory. Happiness comes only when we trust in God and surrender ourselves to his will. Students, I will tell you some examples. It's on the page 4 of your textbook. When Jesus Christ was being nailed on the cross, the only words that he spoke with each hammer blows were, "Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do." As Swami Dayanand swallowed the poison given to him by his murderers, he only thought was, "O Almighty, your wish be fulfilled." Mahatma Gandhi lay dying at the hands of assassins. He said, "Hey Ram." These are all the examples to trust in God. Our success, failure, joy, sorrow, all this lies in the hands of God. That is why it is so important to have faith. With faith you live in the world of hope. He who let God lead his way stay ahead. All that is required is totally faith in him. You will find peace and happiness in your life. Think carefully, and before you make a choice, have complete faith in God. Material things give neither real happiness nor true success. We cannot know God through books or through our senses. The roots of all happiness lies in the faith in God. So students, from this chapter we have learned how important it is to trust God and surrender ourselves to Him. Thank you.